What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Jared E. Motorsports vlog and the Jared E. Motorsports YouTube channel. Appreciate everybody clicking on this video. We've made it back to WMI. We've taken a couple of weeks and kind of let them do their thing here. We got the car as far along as we were going to. Got the body all built and everything, and we were just going to let them assemble the body on the race car and build the bumper bars and all the interior and stuff. Just kind of let the experts do the stuff. So I've made it back to the shop, and as you can see right there is our race car. So why don't we go over there and check it out and see the progress that's been made over the last few weeks. I apologize for the delay in videos, or the gap between videos, but we're here and let's go check it out. The car looks a lot different than the last time we looked at it. All right, so David's still working on it, but what they got done on this thing looks badass. So they got the dash in the race car. Looks awesome. All the tins in the car. David's just finishing putting all the rivets and everything in it. All of it is in, ready to go. Working on there. We've got the window in with the custom WMI window braces. That are the coolest looking window brace I've ever seen. I was just telling David that this is my first ever new window. I mean, we got a lot of new stuff that I've never had before, but this is our first time we've ever had a brand new windshield or a rear window or anything on a race car. We've always had hand-me-down stuff, so she's looking good. It's going together. He's got the deck lid all done, just getting the pins in. And the front end of the car, the nose and everything's ready to go. They're just welding the bumper bar, so I'll go show them welding the bumper bar in a minute. They got the door bar, what do you call that bar on that side? The window net bar?
Window net bar.
The bar I stand on when I win. Can it hold me up?
We made it heavy.
Okay, it's good. Just like the bumper bar. But yeah, she's looking really, really, really good. And it's not going to be too long before this thing is ready to do some laps. Now that it's 2024, it's officially 2024. Happy New Year to everybody. I don't think we've had a video since then, but she's looking really good, and I can't thank all these guys enough for all the work they've done on this awesome looking race car. This has got to be the nicest looking race car in Ontario. I don't care. It's awesome. It's beautiful. The paint's beautiful. The chassis is just amazing. The body work, the way that they do their body work and tin work, it's just unbelievable. So happy with everything that we got going on with this thing. And let's go over and see what they're welding on our car over there. Bumper bars and door bars, and they're hard at work. It's a legit operation here. So we've made a hell of a partnership, and I am so excited about it. And we're gonna win some races. This guy knows how to clean a pipe. Holy. Before, after. Oh wow, look at you go, Nathan. So I wanted gold hood pins. They're out of stock?
Out of stock.
They're out of stock on blue? So they got black? Black or silver?
Silver.
Fine, order the silver. Look at this thing. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Can't wait to go fast. Do you love Qwick as much as I love Qwick?
They're handy.
I didn't know what they were our first couple of years of racing, and then I discovered, and I was like, whoa. What's your story? I heard you went away.
I did.
Where'd you go? Mexico? Cuba? Something like that?
Dominicano.
How was that?
Good.
So they build a racetrack down there? Do they have racetracks down there?
Apparently there is. Brenda looked it up. There's
What?
a racetrack down there. Not an oval, but like Ferrari track.
What? That's not, I don't care about that. I only like to go left.
That's right.
So another exciting thing, the 2024 Delaware Speedway schedule was released this week, and we got some decisions to make, I think, unfortunately. They added a couple of extra races that we weren't expecting, which extra races cost money and time. So I'm able to fill in the blanks. I mean, they announced the 2 Qwick races at Delaware on Canada Day weekend and the Great Canadian Weekend, and I really like the way they made the schedule with the Canada Day week or the Great Canadian Weekend and then championship nights later in the season, and it's all series together and stuff. I do really like the way they did that on the schedule. It's a good looking schedule. It's just it's going to be really tough if you want to run full-time Delaware Speedway Super Stocks and full-time Qwick United Racing Series Super Stocks. I'm able to do the math or whatever you want to call it, fill in the schedule myself based on the off weeks that Delaware has, and then the weeks that the United Racing Series, the APC Series, is at certain tracks, and you can kind of put together the schedule yourself. And if I'm correct, we would have 3 weeks off all year, which is a lot. That's very demanding when you got a family and a budget and so on. So got to figure out what we're going to do. I'm not saying we're not going to do it all. I'm just saying we got some thinking to do about exactly what we're going to do. That is a lot. It's a lot. I was kind of hoping to see Delaware stick to 10 races and have a couple extra off weeks, just kind of help the teams, and not their fault. Delaware's got to look after Delaware, and United Racing Series got to look after United Racing Series, and it is what it is. But for us, we got to kind of figure out what we're going to do. Are we going to run just Delaware and just the Delaware Qwicks maybe, or are we going to run the whole 17 race schedule, or do we kind of tour a little bit? But that's not with the Qwick series. Or I don't know. I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying we got to kind of figure out what works for our team, and it very well may end up being that we're just going to do what we've always done and run the 17 race schedule and have no life all summer. But yeah, it was exciting. Go check it out, DelawareSpeedway.com. They released the schedule, and hopefully the Qwick United Racing Series schedule is released soon. Although, like I said, it's pretty obvious, I think, what it's going to look like just based on which weeks Delaware's off and which weeks the late models are at certain tracks and stuff. So with that said, we shall see. Comment below, let us know what you think. I know fans are going to say that we should run as much as we can. Obviously I would love to, and we're going to, but comment below, let us know what you think we should do with our schedule this year, if we should commit to both, or kind of do a little bit more of an outlaw schedule, or just focus on Delaware perhaps, or let us know where you think we should take this brand new WMI race car this summer. That will do it. I just wanted to kind of show up at the shop and kind of show everything that's been going on, and kind of explain why there's been a little bit of a delay in our videos here, just because we're kind of letting them do these little bit of body stuff, and then we're going to be back out here to get the motor in and do the exhaust and all that kind of stuff. But it's just been a couple of week lull here while the guys at WMI get the body mounted and all that kind of stuff. But looks like we're getting close to having a schedule, or our schedule. Tracks are starting to release their schedules and stuff, and yeah, I'm excited. We're into 2024, so what are we, January? We're halfway through January already, so kind of halfway through January, February, March. We're on track in about 3 months. So yeah, hopefully release our paint scheme here in the next couple of weeks and release some merch and stuff. It's all drawn, just kind of waiting on some sponsor approval and everything. So yeah, appreciate everybody clicking on this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're so close to 1,000. Let's see if this can be the video that gets us over 1,000 subscribers. And we'll be back out here probably one night on the weekend, or maybe next week, and start doing some stuff, and hopefully get the oil pan swapped on the engine, and hopefully our team can get back working on this car after these guys do all their awesome work. So I appreciate it, and we'll be back. Thank you for tuning in here at the JRD Motorsports vlog.